In this video, I will show you foods people eat all the time that can cause death. First up, we have fugu, otherwise known as pufferfish, which contains lethal toxin, a poison 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide, and only licensed chefs in Japan can prepare it safely. Knowing that, would you try fugu if you were in Japan? Let me know in the comments. If you ever had fugu, definitely let me know in the comments. Coming up next is Aki from Jamaica. Unripe aki fruit contains hypoglycin A and B, which can cause vomiting, seizures, or death. The fruit must open naturally on the tree before being consumed. Up next, I know a lot of you are familiar with this one, potatoes that have gone green or have even sprouted. Many of you sometimes say, I'll just take the green off and just take the sprouts off. No, that's not how that works. Green potatoes contain solanine, which can cause gastrointestinal and neurological symptoms. Avoid eating potatoes with green skin or sprouted areas. Next up is cassava or yuca, which contains cyanogenic glycosides which can release cyanide if not properly processed. They must be peeled, soaked, and cooked to neutralize the toxins. Up next, we have elderberries. The leaves, the seeds, and unripe berries contain cyanogenic glycosides as well. Cooked berries are safe and used for syrups and jams. Next are apricot pits, which contain amygdalin, which can convert into cyanide when consumed. Last but not least is nutmeg. In large quantities, it can cause hallucinations, seizures, and even death due to the compound myristicin. So have it in small amounts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.